Okay, day in the life of the closet doctor, small business owner. This is probably the third or fourth one I've made in the last 2 months, and haven't made a lot because I've been doing a lot, been busy. But so here's today. Here's my week. Monday, we got a slow day, so guys are like, hey, I got DMV to take care of. I said, no problem, take care of it. It's going to be slow. 2 other guys don't come into work, so I end up helping somebody else out and doing work that I didn't plan on doing. One of those people didn't come back this week. They're in the hospital. And they've had health issues, new hire. They've had health issues since they started. So yeah, can't put up with this. So I interviewed a guy on Wednesday, called him on the phone, came in for an interview at 2:30. Said, hey, can you start tomorrow? I said, yeah, came in yesterday. On Thursdays, I leave at 10 because I go to another shop that I'm consulting with to help them run a better shop, and I literally gave him like 2 hours of training, and he did a great job. Ran like 20 sheets on the CNC, everything's all good. I go home, like excellent. Found somebody, and he'd been an installer. He's got like 5 years installing experience, and I'm like, yeah, excellent. This morning on the way to work, get the text. My neck is sore. I'm tired from yesterday. I don't think this is for me. It's not going to work out. Great. So, yeah. So today, that's what I'm doing. And then we had a spot on, end of the month, beginning of the month. Cash flow's always tight because you got rent and payroll. Then we got a holiday weekend. 2 weeks ago, we had a bunch of jobs that were just screwed up. So we didn't collect a bunch of money. So the CFO, she's on me. Got payroll to make, got rent to pay, all the stuff that's due at the end of the month, and we're just nothing. And so I go on an appointment yesterday for sales. Repeat customer. I did work for them 8 years ago. They sold that house and moved into a smaller house. Super nice ladies, and I don't go on sales appointments. I go on buying appointments. That's my deal. And I walked in the door, and we had our they remembered me, and we talked a little bit. And I said, well, I got good news for you. We can install on Wednesday, or we can come at the end of August, whatever works for you. And they're like, oh, we want Wednesday. So needless to say, we did the paperwork, and I just started that right now. It's 15 sheets, so I'll have that ready, and then I'm going to go ahead and work the weekend. I'll work Saturday and work Monday that we gave everybody off so that we can get that job in, and then I have a 2-day job out of town that's a $20,000 garage job that I'm going to be working on, and I'm still short-handed. So, fun times at the Closet Doctor. If you know anybody that wants to run a shop, that wants to come to work every day, that doesn't have health issues, that doesn't have baby mama issues, that doesn't have to stay home because their wife's tired because the kids were up last night, that doesn't have car issues, that actually wants to come to work every day, that doesn't want to complain that I'm paying more than what they asked for, but it's not as much as they think they should be making, and all of that other stuff, I've got a position open that they can have. Have a good weekend on the happy 4th of July.